Sachin, what you doing? Sachin, you taking a bath?
Alright, we should get going.
Okay, well, you have to help out with cleaning up the mess. What did you do?
This is not what they had on the box's description of how to enjoy your pirate.
Well, they
This is
should
much
have.
Yeah. It's like Nickelodeon style.
Did it double dare?
Yeah. You see some like yellow like
Gunk.
paint that come on him.
Yeah.
Well, it is holy.
That's true.
Was it? What is that?
Today, right?
Today or tomorrow, I don't
Is
know.
it really?
Yeah. Hey, big belly. Sachin, where's your belly? Oh, dear. What's Daddy doing to you, sweetie? He's gonna grow up and he's gonna see all these videos and he's gonna think, my dad really used to abuse me.
Is that right? This is Chinese water torture.
Like he's in the shower. Are you a big boy now? You take showers.
Poor thing. Oh my god.
Aww.
Papu.
Okay, you wanna bring him now?
Let's go. Why don't you just jump in? Here.
Oh God.
Yay!
Poor thing. He's
Oh,
scared.
now eyes are popping.
Poor thing, his diaper is probably getting all nasty. Here's a towel.
Watch out, that's the tight one.
Yeah. Here, put it.